Hello all, now we will see the relative reference. I prepared one chart over here having name, test 1, test 2 and a total. In normal case, if I want to add the Ram's marks for the test 1 and test 2, how will I perform in Excel? I will put a equal to sign and I will add this column, I will add this, select this and then I will select the next column there, that is B3 plus B3, C3 will give me the answer. Okay, and if the length of the complete chart is less, I can drag drop it down so that my formula can be copy pasted over here. If I want to check these formulas, I can go into the formula bar, I can click on the show formula and I can see the formulas which are there. Okay, if I click on the show formula again, then I can see the answer over here. But what if the list is very large? If it is a tall list, then it is very difficult to drag drop down. So instead of that, what I will do now, a shortcut I will teach you now. First I will select this. After selecting this, I will select the After selecting this, I will put the formula equal to B3 plus C3 and now I will press Control Enter. As soon as I press Control Enter, in the selected view, the numbers will get added there. Okay, similarly way we can do the additional, multiplication, division operations in this. So the Control Enter is the thing which we need to use. This is the relative reference, that is, it is taking the reference from the immediate cells which are aligned there. Now we will see the absolute reference. For the absolute reference, as you can see, I will first delete this. As you can see, I want to take out the total percentage over here. How much RAM score out of 100 is given. Okay. So now how will I do this? In order to do this, what I need to do is I select this first. I will put the equal to, I will select this, then I will select the another cell which is having the 100 number. It is giving me the 85%. Again I can drag drop over here. Okay. Once I drag drop, there is certain unusual thing is taking place, that is the cell for 90%, it should actually show me the 90%, but it is not showing me 90%. So for 55, it is showing me 61%. So there is some problem with the formula. So what we will do, we will go into the formula again and say show formula. Okay. As I am showing the formula, what is happening? This is my B12, right? But as I am proceeding further, it is taking the next number as 85, that is my 90 is now divided by 85. Similarly, my 55 is divided by 90. No, I don't want that. I want this particular cell to get divided by the each number. So how can I fix this? In order to do that, I can again click on the show formula. As you can see, for the show formula, there is a shortcut which is given, Control Tilt. A tilt is available on your keyboard, which is on the extreme left below the escape bar. Okay, you can click on that, or simply you can click on the show formula and hide it. Okay. Now how to do this? I will first select this all. I'll press escape. If I am selecting the wrong things, I will first delete this. Now I will write down the formula equal to which cell I want? This cell. Am I going to change the cell as I am proceeding? Yes. So I am not going to touch this. Then I will select the cell which is going to be a fixed cell. So if I want to lock certain cell, then there I will put a function as, in order to lock it, I will put a function F4. So then I will put a enter there. Okay. And as I am dragging dropping over here, Yes, I am getting the correct result. What I had done, we will check it in the formula. By using function F4, I am locking the cell 100. Okay, by using the function F4, I am locking the cell over here 100. So I am getting the desired result. Okay. Now we will see what is a mix reference. Mix reference is very rarely used for the engineers, I will say, but yes, very interesting, and you can work on it very nicely. Suppose I want to multiply 10 with 1, so the answer will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Similarly 20, 40, then 60, then 80 and 100. I want this such a type of answers there. So what I will do, if I do this, what will happen? If I select this cell, I will say multiply with 1. Okay, I am getting the answer. But what if I drag drop it? I am not getting the answer. What is the reason behind that? See, if I say show formula again, see, it is taking the next column as I am proceeding, and I don't want that. I want the exact multiplication. If I drag drop this down, still I am not getting the correct answer. Okay, so in order to do this activity, what I will do, so now it is more challenging how to perform this. So the trick for it to, I will press equal to sign, then I will select this, the A column, I want to select the first one, that is A23. Remember, in that the A is going to remain constant throughout, that is A24, A25 and so on. So what I will do, I will put my cursor before A and put the function F4, that is I am locking it. Okay, see, the locking sign is against the 23, which I don't want, so I will just delete the lock sign there. Okay, now I will put a into. Now which one I want to lock now? I want to lock this particular one, but again the catch over here is this is going to vary, that is it is going to vary as C, D, E, F. So what I will do, I will first select this B. Okay, after this I will put my cursor before 22. Okay, and now I will press the F4 twice. Okay, first I select it and press the F4 once, then I select it and then press the F4 twice. Okay, I will put the enter and I will just take it by dragging and dropping. Yes, so far I am giving good answers and correct ones. I will drag drop more, and yes, 50 into 5, 250 the answer I am getting. So this is how we can utilize the function F4. Function F4 is for the locking purpose, and if you want to lock particular cell or column, you can double put the lock, that is double F4 you can put it there. Thank you.